Just think about it. How successfully you have wasted your time while jerking off to adult pictures and videos. The classes that you have missed. That girl that could have become your soulmate, and the number of wonderful opportunities that you have missed, all because of tiredness that comes after jerking off. You may started to watch things that you shouldn't be watching when you were in 7th grade. And let's suppose your age is 21 now. Then you have wasted 2,920 days. Is that shocking? What if everything that you have done in the past recovers in just 90 days? Everything, your confidence, your focus, your mental stability, and many other things that can make you a perfect man. That's cool, right? In the process of getting all these benefits, you have to do one thing which can change or flip your life. And believe me, it really helps to give a new perspective on life. It helps to achieve goals. The challenge that you have to take is known as the NoFap 90 Days Challenge. 90 Days Challenge helps you to recover all the mistakes that you have done in the past. It helps your body by making your dopamine level back to normal. What is dopamine? It is a brain signaling chemical, which plays an essential role in helping people initiate movements. It plays a significant role in thinking, motivation, emotions, and addiction. There are many key benefits of NoFap. Benefit 1. Boosts confidence. Confidence is a key to success. Without confidence, you are not going to make it, and when we fap too much, we started to lose that confidence. Many people are suffering from low confidence, and many of them are losing hope. NoFap helps in increasing confidence, removing depression, anxiety, fear, and social awkwardness. As I said, NoFap increases testosterone levels by 45% in just a week, and testosterone helps in increasing self-confidence. How testosterone helps in boosting the confidence. Higher levels of testosterone lead to increased feelings of confidence, while lower levels of testosterone may cause hair loss, reduce bone mass, difficulty in sleeping, and many more. Excessive fapping causes depression? I think so, but science has a different perspective about that. Many people fap regularly for pleasure, for exploration, or for fun. Fapping has some positive benefits, including stress release, better mood, and excellent relaxation. But fapping too much is sometimes associated with guilt and depression. That isn't because fapping too much causes depression. Instead, it's likely because religious and cultural traditions sometimes associate self-pleasure and fapping with feelings such as shame and sin. In my opinion, NoFap saves us from falling into the deep darkness of depression. We feel guilty and it leads to depression, and when you start a NoFap journey, things started to change. So I suggest you take this challenge and defeat the depression. Does testosterone help in decreasing depression? Maybe. Testosterone boosts the production of serotonin, or the happy chemical. Testosterone levels tend to drop as men age, and some studies have revealed that men with lower levels are more prone to have depressive symptoms. Should I take supplements to boost my testosterone levels? No, instead try natural things to boost your testosterone levels. What I can do to increase my testosterone levels? First of all, exercise and lift weights. According to a study, found that people who exercised regularly had higher testosterone levels. Secondly, eat protein, fat, and carbs. Eating a sufficient amount of protein can help maintain healthy levels and aid in fat loss, which is also linked with your testosterone. Third, consume vitamin D. Research has revealed that it has numerous health benefits and may also work as a natural testosterone booster. Benefit 2. Strong muscles. I always wanted to be shredded, but it wasn't possible for me at that time because I was wasting my time and strength on videos that I shouldn't be watching. But now things are different and going on my way. I am lifting more weight than ever before and my body is looking good. Now I love to go gym daily. Can NoFap really make me muscular? No, it totally depends on you, how committed you are. NoFap is not a magic trick that can make you a beast in just a day. What NoFap does is allow your body to lift more weights because it provides strength to do this. Many people who are on a NoFap journey see the change in themselves because they are practicing NoFap, as well as are working hard to become muscular. Thus, jerking off kills your gains. Fapping is causing your testosterone levels to drop. This means you are losing muscle, which also leads to increased estrogen. The act of fapping is similar to high-intensity interval training, which is extremely catabolic. For those who do not understand what catabolic means, it means muscle destroying. Fapping kills your gains. How to stop losing muscle mass. You should eat protein-rich foods. Studies revealed that adults can lose up to 8% of muscle mass each decade after age 40. One of the major reasons older adults, in particular, are affected by a lessening in muscle mass is they're not eating enough calories, protein, and amino acids. You must go to a gym. Cardiovascular exercise and weight training are important because they consistently stimulate and signal the muscles to grow. Get enough vitamin D. A deficiency of vitamin D can impact your body's ability to build muscle. As I said, I have seen some awesome improvements in myself. I am 101% sure that you will also see the difference between current you and past you. Benefit 3. More energy. I always became really tired when I was addicted to fapping, but now I can play my favorite sports for hours and I'm feeling really fit. I remember how I always compromised my health with some random stuff. Now I am feeling like I am on the clouds. It's such an amazing feeling, can't describe in words. How NoFap increases energy. NoFap increases testosterone levels, and testosterone is responsible for enhanced muscle mass. Leaner body mass helps manage weight and increases energy. I am having hard time falling asleep during NoFap. Why? That is maybe because during the NoFap your body gets a sudden dose of energy that you haven't got before. Here are some best tips for you so you can fall asleep easily. Firstly, lower the room temperature. Your body temperature changes when you fall asleep. Core temperature decreases, and the temperature of your hands and feet increases. If your room is too warm, you might have a difficult time falling asleep. Arranging your thermostat to a cool temperature between 60 to 75 Fahrenheit or 15 to 23 Celsius could help. Also, practice yoga and meditation. When people are stressed, they tend to have trouble falling asleep. Yoga, meditation, and mindfulness are ways to calm the mind and relax the body. Furthermore, they have been shown to improve sleep. You should also stop looking at your clock. It is common to wake up in the middle of the night. Nevertheless, the failure to fall back asleep can ruin a good night's rest. People who wake up in the middle of the night usually tend to watch the clock and obsess about the fact that they cannot fall back asleep. Clock watching is popular among people suffering from insomnia. This behavior may create anxiety about sleeplessness. Benefit 4. Strong hairs. When you take a NoFap challenge, you stop wasting your semen, and semen has over 200 different varieties of protein in it, which can provide your hair the shine and strength that it so desperately needs. Semen also contains spermidine, which, when used on human scalps, has been shown to increase shaft elongation as well as prolonged hair growth. Your semen also contains keratin. It works by smoothing down the cells that overlap to make your hair strands. The layers of cells, known as the hair cuticle, probably absorb the keratin, resulting in hair that looks full and shiny. Keratin also helps to make curly hair less frizzy, easier to style, and straighter in appearance. Should you take a NoFap challenge to save my hairs? Absolutely yes. I have seen a drastic change in my hair quality during a NoFap journey. My hairs are a lot smoother compared to those days when I used to fap too much. Can NoFap help in growing beard? Many people have claimed that my facial hair is growing rapidly. That is because NoFap increases the testosterone level drastically 45% in just a week. Testosterone can help facial hair to become thicker. Men with lots of testosterone have longer beards. Benefit 5. NoFap for improved skin. Who likes dull, ugly-looking skin? No one. Here comes the NoFap for rescue. NoFap helps your skin by providing essential nutrients and proteins which are important for healthy, glowing skin. Again, semen contains the antioxidant spermidine. It is great for the skin. It's believed to smooth skin, lessen wrinkles, and even reduce acne. Is NoFap really good for skin? Yes, I have noticed that my skin and complexion have increased, and the acne on my face has cleared up a fair bit as there are not as many bumps or pimples. Now my skin looks fresh and clear and I feel confident. After taking that challenge, my skin is becoming smoother and smoother day by day. NoFap for skin. Any scientific evidence? Yes, saving your semen helps to get glowing skin. Semen is mainly used for procreation. It can have amazing benefits for everyday life. In semen, you can find a crystalline polyamine compound called spermidine in semen. This particular compound is also known as an antioxidant. It is believed to diminish wrinkles, smooth skin, and help with taming or stopping acne. Can NoFap make skin glow? According to a new study, it is believed semen retention is good for the skin. The proteins and nutrients present in semen can make your face glow and help to lighten those nasty-looking scars too. Benefit 6. Strong immune system. A strong immune system is very important. It helps by shielding your body from many kinds of bacteria which can make you ill in a blink of an eye. In my opinion, NoFap has made me a beast. I am hardly falling sick since I started the NoFap challenge. I am feeling very strong from the inside. In scientific opinion, when men jerk off, a little cortisol gets released, which is the stress hormone. This boosts their immune system. What semen contains? Our semen contains many essential vitamins and minerals like calcium, vitamin C, chlorine, fructose, citric acid, lactic acid, magnesium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, vitamin B12, and zinc. These vital vitamins and minerals help our immune system because these nutrients work as antioxidants, and antioxidants boost our immune system by fighting with free radicals. What are the probability of falling sick during NoFap journey? Chances are low, but you may fall sick if your diet is poor and you are not taking care of yourself. You will feel much stronger physically than ever before. Can NoFap boost your stamina? Vitamin B12 present in semen benefits us by increasing our stamina. Vitamin B12 supports to convert the food you consume into energy that your cells can use. It also keeps your body's blood cells and nervous cells strong and helps stop a type of anemia that can make you tired and weak. You might ask how to start a NoFap challenge. Just take a deep breath and say, let's do this. I know most of you will relapse after some days or after a couple of weeks, but trust me, you don't know how better your life will become if you completed this challenge. Here are some tips for you. These tips worked for me and I hope they will help you as well. Tip number 1, don't count days. Counting days is the most stupid thing you can do. You will surely relapse if you started to count days. What you can do instead, just mark down the starting day and the ending day, and after that just stop fapping. Tip number 2, whenever you feel like you will relapse, just take a cold shower. A cold shower will help you by shifting your mind to other things rather than those videos. I am using this strategy and it is working for me. Tip number 3, go outside and play. It is another way to sift your mind and it really works. If you're relapsing, just go outside and play basketball, football, soccer, whatever you want to play, just distract your mind. Tip number 4, do meditation. Meditation will provide better thinking and will help you calm down. I always meditate for 20 minutes daily and I'm seeing improvements. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, don't forget to share this with your friends and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. X King out.